Today on the Rochi Cornerstone channel, we're going to show you several different style cooking when you are using chicken. You notice this grill is not covered. This is how I do it. Now I will be serving this chicken with lemon, avocado and lettuce. Look how the chicken juicy. You see it? Nice and mellow. Now this is the second way of grilling chicken and serve. This chicken was on my grill, now it is in my steam pot with my cilantro, my French thyme, my bird pepper and my lemon in my steam pot, mellow and jello. Now this is the third style of doing your chicken. Pre-cook it and French fry it. You understand me? Then you can get a soft and nice texture on the chicken. This little young man no help me do anything with him. They've wash plate. He must come round and him just eat. Look at that color. You see it? Look, the texture is just soft. Now this is fried chicken with my garlic sauce with a little piece of plantain and my marble tomato with a little cilantro on the side. Fried chicken. This is the next way to do chicken. You call this one ruscompoya. Season up your rice with your powder seasoning, put the browning into it and scald your egg different. Wait until your rice is cooked and then you put your French fried chicken on the top to get a little steam. When it is through, this is how you serve it with your garlic sauce, the egg and your French fried chicken and a little cilantro on the top. This is a great recipe and you need to try it. It is very nice. Now take a look at this chicken. This is the next way to grill chicken. I fry it and then I put it on the grill. Yes. See there? I'm a chicken farm that. Me give them corn and me give them grass. See them I eat there? You saw them fat and fluffy? This is my kitchen and me no want a body in my kitchen. Everything where you see happen there so, I you saw it done from. Me barbie fry, pineapple and carrot chicken, me pumpkin chicken and me turmeric chicken. It no normal. Oh, this chicken throw in my deep fryer. Look at it. And this other chicken seasoned up with sesame seed. Look at it. And this is my chicken breast with my lettuce. You better believe that. You don't have to go no fancy Italian restaurant for this here. 5 tablespoons of flour, 2 eggs, bap, make your little dough. You fry your chicken breast, throw it at it with the vegetable. See there? I eat that. You don't have to go on a fancy restaurant. Simple recipe. And all of this, I'm giving it away free. Free with a small contribution. All you have to do is share the video and like it and send it to your friend them.